Did you hear what Bill Gates mentioned about India's pharmaceutical industry? According to him, Indian pharma industry is capable of producing COVID-19 vaccine for the entire world. As per the analysis of McKinsey, Indian pharma market will grow from a market size of $12.6 billion in 2009 to $55 billion by the end of 2020. Seeing the upcoming huge potential growth in the pharma industry, we have come up with the top 5 free online courses that every pharmacy student and professionals should opt for and upgrade their resumes. All the courses link are in the description box. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. The US alone holds over 45% of the global pharmaceutical market. So most companies eye for the US market to launch their products. And for this, NDA and ANDA filing is done. Knowing the outlines of the approval process will definitely help you secure your position in the Regulatory Affairs Department. So definitely go for this course, Introduction to FDA Human Drug Review and Approval Basics. This course is offered by FDA. This is a free certification beginner level course which will take 2 to 3 hours to complete and consist of 4 modules. After completion of this course, you will learn about FDA Drug Review and Approval Basics, Prescription Drug Development and its approval process, and OTC Drug Development and its approval process. Almost all pharmaceutical companies like GSK, Novartis, Pfizer hire regulatory affairs associates for filing NDA and ANDA. Intellectual property right is particularly relevant for the pharmaceutical industry, which depends on patent protection to support its investment in medical research. This also encourages healthy competition, which promotes industrial development and economic growth. General courses on intellectual property is a free certificate course offered by WIPO. This is a beginner level course which includes 13 modules and will take 55 hours to complete. After completion of this course, you will gain basic knowledge about IP, trademark, copyrights, patents and industrial design. Pharmaceutical companies like Biocon, Dr. Reddy's as well as medical device companies like Stryker, PerkinElmer hire for the role of intellectual property analyst. Drug safety is one of the hottest topics in Delhi medical practice, particularly with regard to approving new medication or questioning the possibility of withdrawing a drug from the market. Enroll in this course Overview of Drug Safety offered by FDA. This is also a free certification beginner level course which will take 2 to 3 hours to complete and have 13 modules. From this course, you will learn about drug safety, risk management, and pharmacovigilance tools for risk assessment and evaluation. Drug Safety Associate is a very demanding job and is hired by tech companies, e-clinical firms and pharma companies like Cognizant, TCS, Accenture, Bioclinica, Novo Nordisk, Ipca Labs and many more. The Drug Safety and Monitoring Board is responsible for assessing the overall progress of a clinical trial and focus particularly on analyzing the safety and efficacy data. This course, Drug Safety and Monitoring Board for Clinical Trials, is aimed for anyone who is involved with clinical trials. This is a free certification course offered by the Global Health Network. It will take only 30 to 40 minutes to complete. Upon completion of this course, you will learn about role of Data Safety and Monitoring Board during a clinical trial, existing regulations and where the gaps are, the statistical considerations involved, and basic DSMB membership training curriculum. Hired by CROs like Bioclinica, Synos Health, Paraxel, and PRA Health Sciences. At some point, we must have thought about putting our effort in controlling COVID-19 pandemic. By this course, you can contribute to this thought. This course, Measuring and Maximizing Impact of COVID-19 Contact Tracing, offered by Johns Hopkins University. This is a free certification advanced level course which will take 3 hours to complete and have 22 video lectures. After completion of this course, you will learn about program management, public health, contact tracing, and epidemiology. Thank you for watching. Hope this video was helpful for you. Please drop a like and mention about the course you liked in the comment section. We come up with career related videos, so please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. If you liked our video, please share it with your friends.